guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Meg Blush. My name is Muskan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about an issue that a lot of people are facing. It's grey hair. I have grey hair and I am only 22 years old, but I am no more ashamed of it. I am happy in embracing my grey hair and myself as I am. But this video is going to be very helpful for you if you are somebody who's trying to look for a non-permanent way of hiding your grey hair. So I'm going to be talking about a product that has been a blessing. It is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. This is an instant root concealer spray, and it is a temporary grey coverage color, and it will last until you wash your hair. So basically, if you don't wash your hair for 4 days, it will last for 4 days and it will easily come off when you wash your hair. It does not need a lot of mehnat, and this is what the bottle looks like. I am really obsessed with this color at the moment, and I think my yellow phase is going and this color phase is coming, and I really like the bottle. Plus it comes with a micro diffusing nozzle, which is different than other normal nozzles, and I'll tell you what it does in a minute. But this product comes in 2 shades. It comes in dark brown and black. Now I have used the shade dark brown in this video, but if you are somebody who has black hair, then you can use the black one. This looks very natural, guys. I've been using it for a year. Whenever I'm feeling fancy or whenever I'm feeling like I want to go out and I don't want my gray hair peeking, I use this. And I also like using this because I feel like I'm too young to be on the hair color touch up cycle, because I think it's really addictive, and I'm fine with my grey hair, guys, but sometimes I would like to hide it and I like to use this. This is my second bottle and I am not even kidding. I love this so much. I tried it on my mom for this video. I recently got my hair colored, so you can't see a lot of grey hair. I'm sure you guys can see some, but you can't see enough for me to demonstrate this on myself for you. So I called my beautiful mother to be my model for the day, so that I can show how I use it on myself, on her, and she loved it so much she ordered one for herself also. So yeah, so now I'm quickly going to tell you how I like using it. So the bottle says that you're supposed to hold this 10 centimeters away from your hair, and that is what I did. I basically held this 10 centimeters away from my mom's roots and I just sprayed it. Now you guys can see how natural it looks and how easy it is to cover grey hair. The best part about this is that you don't have to use it before styling your hair. You can use it on dry hair after you have finished styling your hair. 3 things that I really want to mention about the product are actually 4 things. One being that it is really affordable. It only retails for 299 rupees, which is great. Second thing is that it has no ammonia, and that is great for our hair. I mean, it is not going to ruin our hair. It has no ammonia. Big thumbs up. Thirdly, it is transfer proof. So when you spray it is not going to get on your skin or on your clothes. It is transfer proof. Also, the micro diffusing nozzle on this is going to help you spray the product where you want it to be sprayed. It is not going to get everywhere because it has a really thin micro diffusing nozzle, which I really like. And even when I applied it on my mom's hair, you guys saw that the product wasn't getting on her forehead, which is because of the micro diffusing nozzle. And the third thing is that it is smudge proof. So even if you sweat a lot, or even if you touch your hair, it is not going to smudge around and it is not going to transfer. So I really like that about this product. All in all, it's a great product, guys. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. One bottle is going to last you up to 25 uses, and as I said, this is my second bottle. I really like this product because I'm just not ready to start coloring my grey hair just as yet, and this is a great product. I mean, I do get highlights done, but I don't get them done to hide my grey hair. But I think this one works great. And this can also be really useful to our parents, guys. If they don't want to, go to the salon or get their hair touched up before a party, this can come really handy. And yeah, you can just gift it to your mom, and I'm sure she'll really like it. My mom did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, this retails for 299 rupees only, which is a great deal for such a good product. So I'm going to put the link to where you can buy this product in the description box below. Please check that out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos do you guys want to watch next. If you have any questions about this product, please leave it in the comments, and if I know the answer to them, I will definitely reply to your queries. And that's it, guys. I will see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.